Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Delicacies on the Plate. Today I am going to make a dish which is very famous in North India, and that is sattu ki puri. Yes guys, herein we would be stuffing this sattu, that is the roasted gram flour, and I would be mixing some ingredients, very spicy and very tangy flavor it will have into the wheat dough, and then I would be frying it. So you note down the ingredients and the recipe, and this is very awesome dish. This is also known as makhani, which is a regional name to it. So do check out the ingredients and the recipe. Now in a big mixing bowl, take some wheat flour, add salt to taste, 2 tablespoons, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. After mixing the oil and the salt, add water slowly and knead it and make a smooth dough. Now to prepare the filling of the gram flour, take around 7 to 8 chilies, green chilies, and around a cup of garlic cloves peeled, and I'll make a dry paste of it. I have taken roasted gram around 250 grams and I have powdered it, grinded it. So now in a mixing bowl, put the grounded roasted grams. To this add 4 cups of finely chopped onions. This is the ratio to the garlic, so 1:4. Add the chili garlic paste. Add 1 tablespoon of carom seeds. Now here I am adding, this is chili pickle, stuffed chili pickle. So add around 1 to 1.5. Just mash it up. Add freshly chopped green coriander leaves. Add salt to taste. And half cup of mustard oil. And now mix it well. Now here the mixture is ready, but only the thing is it should bind. So if it is not binding, add little bit of more mustard oil. Now mustard oil I am using because this is the oil which is extensively used in North India. It also enhances the taste of this dish, so I am using it. Otherwise you can use any other oil. Also add little bit of turmeric powder and now mix it well. So now here the mixture is ready and also the dough is ready. You can see it has started to bind up. So this is the consistency for the mixture. Now I'll start preparing the dish. You can see the dough is ready. It is quite smooth. So this is the consistency of the dough it should be. Here I have started to heat up the kadhai. I'll add oil to it. So while the oil is getting heated, I'll start to stuff the mixture into the dough. Now take a small piece of dough ball. Dust the dough ball a bit. Not too much, just a bit. So that it doesn't stick to your hand. And just spread it across. Now fill ample amount of stuffing into the rolled over dough. And now just press it and seal it. Remove the excess dough. Just clean the surface. Roll it again into your hands. Press it. Now I'll fry this as it is, or if you want you can also roll it over on a rolling pin a bit. So, and you can make it on a tawa with a little quantity of oil. Now I'll show you one more. So just stuff it and press it. And then seal it and cover it. And now just spread it a bit again. In between your palms, just press it. And the other one is also ready. In this way I'll prepare as many makhunis and then I'll fry it into the oil. If you want to make makhunis like this which are going to be fried, you can extend it till you get a thin layer, because anyways you're not going to roll it. But if you're rolling it, keep the layer to be thick, as I have showed you in stuffed paratha. The center to be a bit thick, and just go on pressing it and stuff it, and you can roll it out. But if you're making like this, which you want to fry, just stuff it and make the layers to be a bit thin. So here you can see I have made 4 makunis. Now I'm going to fry it one by one. Now on a medium heat, just fry the makunis slowly. The makuni should be fried on a medium heat so as the dough should also get cooked. It should not remain raw. Fry till they turn golden brown in color. Once they start turning golden brown color from one side, just turn it over and fry the other side. So now here the makuni is ready. I'll remove it from the oil. This tastes really very delicious. You serve it with बैंगन का भरता or achar or any green chutney. This will really taste very good. If you have liked this video, click on like and share and subscribe for more and more delicious recipes and delicacies on the plate.